Welcome back to Maven Charts for another SPY intraday price action recap. On the daily time frame, SPY keeps melting up and it broke this lower time higher high today and made another all-time high, closing at 742.31. Looks like SPY would like to test this 748 resistance. We'll see how it goes in the upcoming sessions. Moving on to 5 minutes time frame for the intraday price action. So on the intraday price action, it was just continuation of yesterday's uptrend after reversing it from here, as we discussed on our yesterday's SPY intraday price action recap video. So today SPY opened flat, pulled back to test 20 EMA as well as this support level. That is yesterday's opening price area. And then it printed a bullish engulfing candle right at the support level after collecting liquidity below 20 EMA and 5 minutes time frame. From there, it just melted up from 736.97 to the high of 743.62 and closed at 742.31 today. It was just taking the 9 EMA as support all through the day, like one bullish piercing candlestick here, and a hammer candle here, bullish engulfing here, another bullish engulfing here. So it was just taking the 9 EMA as support for the entire day on the 5 minutes time frame and melted up. Looking at the hourly time frame, we were mentioning about this fair value gap on our yesterday's SPY intraday price action recap. So SPY today came down to test this support as well as this fair value gap. After collecting liquidity below 20 EMA as well as from this fair value gap, it just went all the way high to break this resistance. At the closer of the session, it formed a evening star candlestick kind of pattern, though this doji did not take out this green candle's high. In the last hour of the session, it printed a bearish engulfing candle. So it has a fair value gap here on the hourly time frame now, as well as this resistance it broke. So it may act as a support in the coming session. If it opens gap down for any reason below this fair value gap, then it may act as a resistance. Followed by we have support, this support at 736.5 and then this one at 732.57. This is breaking below and this support at 730 will change the trend of SPY. Looking at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, yesterday it printed a hammer followed by a bullish engulfing candle after collecting liquidity below 9 EMA. Today it printed a follow through bullish candle. In the second 4-hour of the session, it printed an inverted hammer, rejecting from the first 4-hour candles high. Price is still melting above RSI 70 and 4-hour time frame as well as daily time frame. Any pullback may be bought back to test that 748 level. Thank you so much for watching.